Wow, look at the size of this. This is Bullseye from Toy Story 4. It's official Disney Pixar merchandise, and it's a lot bigger than what I was expecting it to be. So let's just turn it around and have a look at the back. So it's got floppy legs, makes it perfect for a ride with Jessie and Sheriff Woody. It's soft and huggable. Children will love that. What age is it suitable for? Let's have a look at it. It's a really good size. I think it's just a cuddly toy then, is it? It's like 4+. Oh, look at the eyes on it. Oh, it looks very cute. So, yeah, it's just a plush toy by the looks of it. And it's a really good size. Great for a gift for somebody who's a big fan of Toy Story 4. So I just want to point out as well how much this is of really good quality. Just look at him, the fabric's fantastic. There's a lot of definition here. Look at these stirrups. But it's all, you know, made really, really well, you can tell. And it's a really big size. So it's great for anyone who does love Toy Story 4. So if you're viewing this video on YouTube, you can click the link below, which will take you through to our website. There'll be more images and a bit more information about the product there. And if you're already on our website, hopefully you've seen enough here to see what the Bullseye looks like in real life, and that can enable you to make a purchasing decision.